Cam here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about the branding process for Thrive, an optometry practice in Texas. So let's get started. Thrive's name and attribute of the ultimate sustainable luxury lifestyle, being green and environmentally friendly, inspired the spirit of this logo design identity, made of bold lines to create the monogram of the letter T. After researching and competitor analysis, we decided not to use the eye symbol or any type of eye frames or glasses at all for this brand identity. We want to create a distinctive look that is timeless and modern. This will create a brand recognition as well as brand loyalty. I typically do some sketches with pencil and paper. Note, this is not to be perfect. It is just bringing loose ideas on paper to see if it's worth exploring in Illustrator. Don't feel like you have to sketch or jot anything down on paper. I know some designers who are able to just hop on the computer and go with the flow. Do what fits your style and your process and make it your own. Here's the fun part where all the sketches get brought into Illustrator and we can create vector-based artwork from there. Sometimes I recreate exactly what I have sketched out on paper, and sometimes I'm able to make variations from my original sketch. That way I could see if something needs to be a thinner stroke or a thicker stroke to make it bolder. If you are interested in becoming a graphic designer, logo designer, brand designer, be sure to hone in on your skills in Illustrator. That's going to help you. Like any other project, the consumer comes first when designing the logo identity and brand design assets. For Thrive, we were challenged to create a system of marks that speak to the youth and trendy audience, and also make it an impression and a visual identity that has movement and flow. For Thrive, we push the envelope with the logo mark solution that captivates the brand story effectively and extremely scalable and versatile across multiple applications. Here's the juicy part of the video, the entire brand reveal. Let's go.